Let's see what is inside the box.
JH-A32B hearing aid, charging case, user menu, earplugs, charging cable and cleaning brush. This is a very popular hearing aid in the market.
It's no difference from the Bluetooth headset in appearance and convenient to carry.
Let me show you the functional device. Microphone 1, Microphone 2. Here you can adjust the volume and change the listening mode. Ear plug, charging contact, in-ear detection sensor.
Next, I will tell you how to use it.
Step 1. Select the right size ear plug. Step 2. Put it on. Step 3. Volume adjustment. Turn on the device. Press the plus button to increase the volume. Press the minus button to decrease the volume. Step 4. Change the hearing modes. There are 4 hearing modes for the hearing aids. Nose. Long press the plus button or minus button for 3 seconds to change the hearing modes.
Finally, charge the hearing aid.
Connect the charging interface of the charging case. Blue light indicates charging. White light indicates fully charged.
Welcome to contact us for more information about hearing aids. Bye.